This is a 1980 farm bed Eagle Bridge trailer. This thing was built in 1980 and it still runs every season. This is incredible. It hauls potatoes, looks like a little bit of barley here and there, some grain. But you can see here, this is all angle iron. This isn't 2-inch tubing like what we use today. Probably just because 2-inch tubing was not super common at that time, or maybe readily available. But another great feature of this trailer, check this out. This is the electric motor. This is the original electric motor, and this is the oil gear pump. So you could get a little bit more pressure out of it by just turning that pump up, and this is how you did it. Push and pull right here. That's how you got more pressure out of the oil gear pump going to the motor. Each one of these sheets kind of tells a story too. You can see where people have put new liners in and maybe filled the hole with a rivet. It's such a cool trailer. I don't know any manufacturer in this industry that can say that they have 44-year-old trailers out running every season. And this isn't all that rare either. I mean, we see them from time to time. They don't always look this good, but there are a lot of trailers that were built in the 70s and 80s, early 90s that are still running every season. Pretty cool.